Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to cover what is Canva and how it is better than other designing softwares. So, Canva is a user friendly online graphic design platform that helps people create beautiful visuals without the need for advanced designing skills. It offers a wide range of templates, images, icons, and fonts, making it easy for anyone to design stunning graphics for social media, presentations, flyers, and more. What makes Canva stand out from other designing software is its simplicity and accessibility. Unlike complex software that requires extensive training, Canva is easy to use even for beginners. It provides drag and drop functionality, allowing you to simply click and move elements around the canvas, making the design process intuitive and straightforward. Furthermore, Canva is a web-based, so you don't need to download or install anything on your computer. This means you can access your designs from anywhere with an internet connection, making it convenient and flexible. And another advantage of Canva is its vast library of templates and assets. It has a wide variety of pre-designed templates that you can customize to fit your needs. This saves you time and effort as you don't have to start from the scratch. Moreover, Canva offers a free plan with many useful features, making it accessible to people with limited budgets. Although it has a premium subscriptions with additional benefits, the free version still provides an impressive array of tools and resources. In summary, Canva is a user-friendly, web-based design platform with a wide range of templates and assets. Its simplicity, accessibility, and affordability make it an excellent choice for individuals and businesses alike, enabling them to create stunning graphics with ease. So I hope you understand what is Canva and meet you in the next video. For now, bye bye.